Finally, the lockdown which came on 23rd March. Today, although the numbers are there, but our population is larger, 1.35 billion. But if you look at the total number of fatalities, it is only about 3,000 or less. But there is something more. The numbers will increase because this is a pandemic. But the number of fatalities is only 3%, and if you analyze that 3%, that percentage also has a very high percentage of people with pre-existing or comorbidity situation. Now, I'm not saying you should draw satisfaction, but this is a tribute to the timely steps that the Prime Minister took. Equally, now when the gradual opening up of economic activity is taking place under Lockdown 4, we need to continue to be vigilant, and we need to continue to be able to take those effective measures. And therefore, I'm very happy that the urban local bodies and the sanitation workers did this, and that they are part of this fight against COVID-19. And I again want to extend my appreciation. When I want to just say a few words on the ODF status. With urban areas of all 35 states and cities have become ODF, barring 48 ULBs of West Bengal, we have achieved our target of creating an ODF India, open defecation free India. We have 4,324 ULBs declared ODF, 4,204 certified through third-party certification, 1,306 cities certified ODF plus, 489 cities certified ODF plus plus. I had said initially that we did not rest with the ODF status. We have gradually been upscaling through these protocols of ODF plus and ODF plus plus. So far, we have already exceeded our toilet construction targets. As I mentioned, more than 65, actually it's more than 66 lakh individual household toilets, and I'd mentioned 5 lakhs, but it is 6.37 lakh community toilets has so far been constructed or under final stage of construction. Going beyond numbers, the most significant achievement in sanitation has been this paradigmatic shift in the way SBM Urban is being implemented. The focus is now on counting and sustaining ODF-free towns, cities, rather than only counting toilets. To sustain the ODF outcomes, we have now introduced the SBM ODF Plus and Plus Plus protocols to address the issue of operation and maintenance of community and public toilets, and also the issue of holistic sanitation, including fecal sludge management. When our Honorable Prime Minister, gave a call to make Swachh Bharat to make India ODF, but also free from garbage. And that is the crucial addition that we introduced. I mean, you can have Swachhta, but if your cities are littered with garbage, so therefore we introduced this very novel scheme, and I had the privilege to be present at its inception when the then Chief Minister, the late, our distinguished colleague, Shri Manohar Parikarji, launched it. I was in, I think if I remember, January 2018. And from there, we have proceeded not only in implementing this scheme, but what I think is far more important, this has seeped into the consciousness of the urban local bodies. Now, when cities are graded according to this garbage-free protocol, they can justifiably take pride in the fact that they have either a 1-star or a 3-star or a 5-star rating. And I think this incentivization, and if I may say so, at some stage, maybe I should not be saying it, there will also be a jamming and shaming. Those who come at the bottom of the ladder will themselves need to introspect. And just as I know that in the process of my being a minister, I used to get calls from my counterparts in the state governments who used to say कि आप जो स्वच्छता सर्वेक्षण कर रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा है, पर उसमें आप इस कैटेगरी की फीडबैक को ज़रा ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस दीजिए. The very fact that an urban affairs minister of any state government picks up the phone to speak to the central urban minister to say that the weightage under the Swachhta Sarvekshan should be altered, which means they're taking it seriously. Takes it seriously, then the Bureaucracy of the urban local bodies will take it seriously down to this thing. And I'm equally confident that our rating protocol that we have now got, we are getting there, and this will become a feature which will be regular. Now I want to come to this issue of solid waste management. This I have always maintained poses a far greater challenge. An estimated 65 million tons of municipal solid waste is generated annually by around 400 million citizens residing in urban areas. Accordingly, India's waste crisis is set to spiral, with the country set to generate thrice the amount of waste, that is 100 million tons by 2030 and 450 million tons by 2050, leading to augmented public health and environmental challenges. Despite this, however, we have made significant progress so far as solid waste management is concerned. 96% of our wards today have 100% door-to-door collection, while 65% of the total waste generated is being processed. Now, I can tell you from my personal experience that 2 years ago, well, I've been a minister nearly 3 years now. Time flies quickly. One of the targets I used to always agonize about was the solid waste management target. Why? Not because I didn't think that we could achieve it, but I always had to say that, at the end of the day, you can build toilets. People can be encouraged to use them. But solid waste management has two separate, distinct components. Unless waste is segregated at the point of production, which is the domestic household, the factory, the restaurant, and you separate wet waste from dry waste, and you have a selection, door to door. So when I say that 100% is now subject to door-to-door collection, it's a very big achievement. The solid waste management, how do you treat the waste? You need plants. These mean investment. So very fact, we were looking at, when the scheme started, I think 14% was the thing. And I used to say, the country of India's size, the amount of waste we generate, it from 14% onward. But I must say, my cynicism, it's not cynicism, I think some of us are made that way. So when to tell me, and Secretary used to tell me, hum ab 60% pe pahunch gaye hain, 66% pe pahunch gaye, I used to always reassure myself by saying some of the investment will now begin to pay off. Because there's gestation. You look at the technology, you need finances, then it comes in. So we are not 100% there, but I think we have got significant amount, and I want to place on record my appreciation to all the people, all the stakeholders who made it possible, from the management in the ministry to the ULBs, but most important to the citizens who have, I think, discovered the great benefit of being participants in this exercise, which is in everyone's interest. I want to now come to the Swachhta Sarvekshan, referred to it very briefly. And I want to recall that 5 years ago, when we introduced the Swachh Sarvekshan, I mentioned 2016, the annual cleanliness survey for urban India has proved successful. It is now part of our very existence. Now, since it is a ranking system, several of our cities, despite doing exceedingly well, were not being recognized enough. Therefore, we thought that we would introduce this star rating protocol for garbage-free cities in January 2018. A comprehensive framework similar to our examination system, where every ward or city achieves a certain standard across 24 different components of solid waste management and is graded based on overall marks received. Now, through this protocol, the intention is to institutionalize as well as bring consistency and transparency when it comes to SWM, solid waste management, focusing on the cleanliness as well as strengthening of the system. Further, the performance of star rating was also given significant weightage in the Swachhta Sarvekshan, providing a comprehensive view of cleanliness in Swachh Sarvekshan and star rating. My ministry has also responded to the call of the Honorable Prime Minister to make India plastic-free We achieved significant progress for use of plastic in cement plants, road construction. An advisory has been issued for use of non-recyclable plastic in cement plants as refund-derived fuel in place of coal. Cement plants have been mapped to the near ULBs. A compilation of best practices and other options for managing the menace of plastic has been issued. Now, before I conclude, spend a minute or so on the way forward. I don't think we have any choice. I think it is an absolute imperative. Vision is to ensure holistic and sustainable sanitation across urban India through effective fecal sludge management, through safe containment, transportation, disposal and processing, along with 100% wastewater treatment in cities before discharging into water bodies and their maximum possible reuse. We also intend to achieve 100% scientific and resource-efficient solid waste management based on 3 Rs and the circular economy. Our focus will include bioremediation of all dump sites, use plastic-free India, and efficient construction and demolition waste management. We are confident that in the next phase of SBM Urban, we will also be able to make all our cities ODF plus and at least 3-star garbage-free certified, at least. My aim, which I share with my colleagues, is that whilst we aim for 3-star at least, we should go even further. Because one of the, I think everyone is learning, that it is not merely a question of sanitation. It's not merely a question of hygiene. You actually enhance the property value and of your own, you enhance your livelihood, both in terms of physical living and of how people value your surrounding. And I think the pandemic through which we are going now will add another dimension to that. And I'm 100% sure that we will come out of this not only strongly, but in a very robust manner, and it will result in the transformation of the country on the sanitation, hygiene, and health standards. And I think India already through the Swachhta campaign was a model developing countries who've been talking about this, but the manner in which we are handling the coronavirus pandemic will actually make a country which people will look to. Already it's been done. The medicines that we've supplied. I also have charge for, I'm also in the Commerce and Industry Ministry where I'm working with my senior colleague Mr. Goyal. The fact that India, which was already becoming a pharmacy of the world, was able to supply large amounts of medicine not only to our neighboring country, hydroxychloroquine, paracetamols, other things, and the fact that we utilize to become major producers of PPEs, of other equipment, etc. I think that's the transformed India, but it's very much anchored in Swachhta, in hygiene, and in health standard. So I think it's an exciting time for us as we will be shortly announcing the much-awaited results of Swachh Sarvekshan 2020. I again congratulate the cities who have achieved garbage-free status and appeal to that all cities should strive to getting this. I congratulate all the star-rated cities, and I also encourage them to try and become 5-star sooner than later. I'm confident that our cities and towns will continue to set new benchmarks in Swachhta, thus paving the way for a Swachh, Swasth, Sashakt, and Sampann and Atmanirbhar Bharat. I urge you all to stay safe. I'm sure that together we shall emerge stronger. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. I think you covered in full details. So I would like to congratulate the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, sir. Garbage free, आप लोगों ने आज यहाँ announce किया, sir. I'll just make 1 or 2 observations, sir, and then we'll take some questions. Our Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, sir, this is our mandate. जो आपने कहा behavioral change करना है या public awareness, sir. So through the different media units of the ministry, that is the job which we are doing. Sir, you gave us garbage-free protocol. Challenge for us, the collection, segregation, dumping, disposal, and scientific waste management, sir. This is a real challenge for us. Sir, we got the ratings for 1-star, 3-star, and 5-star, ODF, ODF plus, ODF plus plus. But we look forward for when the time will come for 7-star rating, because that is the great challenge for us. So first of all, sir, I'll take one online question and then we can take the question from the
Sure.
friends here, sir. The first question is, sir, this is from Namrata Kohli from Hindustan Times. What has been the single most important factor for success in being a 5-star rated garbage? People, processes, or administration?
When you get success, answering a question of what has more relative weightage, first the scheme has to be good. If the design and architecture of the scheme is not good, you can do whatever you like. So I think full marks to the designation of the scheme, to secretary and all those who designed, full marks. Secondly, you can design a good product, but the product has to be implemented on the ground. So full marks to the urban local bodies. Mr. PIO, let me share. In the first 6 months of my tenure as Minister for Housing and Urban Affairs, I would be very often asked this question, and I like because it helped me discover the truth. Why is it that Indore and Bhopal, for instance, I'll give you an example, every year end up with number 1, the Swachhta Sarvekshan? Why? Is there something in the DNA of the people in Indore and Bhopal which is different? So I think the DNA of the people everywhere is the same. You need 2 things. You need a good chief minister, which all BJP states have that. So I am very confident. That's a political point I'm allowed to make. So, Madhya Pradesh had a good chief minister. But you also need a good mayor and you also need a good municipal commissioner.
Yes.
In other words, if you have the political direction, first scheme, design has to be good. If you have the political direction, if you have the mayor who is the local representative who represents the aspirations of those people, and you have a municipal commissioner happening, you can achieve wonders. So my answer to this question is, which one is it? I'll answer it in the same way. I think all 3.
Sir.
And I looked at the cities which were in 1 star, 3 stars, 5 star. Same answer is coming to my mind. Because I figure कि कौन सी cities जो हैं मध्य प्रदेश में, छत्तीसगढ़ में, कहाँ हैं? And the same pattern comes. If the garbage star rating, Swachhta has already become. Anytime you're writing somebody's CR, confidential report, I don't know whether it's a column, etc., but whoever is writing would say, what is their attitude? You can't run an efficient administration today anywhere if it's not clean. By clean, I mean the sanitation part. So I think it's all 3. So please tell the lady who's asked the question. I think we require all 3 to make it a success.
It's going live, sir. So I hope my colleague has got the reply. Now number 9.
SM आसिफ, इन दिनों से हमारा स्वच्छता अभियान जो भारत में चला, उससे कोविड-19 से हमको लड़ने में बहुत आसानी हुई, ये बात क्लियर हुई, आपने बताई। दूसरी बात है कि आज स्वच्छता अभियान को लेकर के ही जो जागरूकता भारत के में पैदा हुई है, उसकी वजह कर ये जो रेटिंग आपकी है 1 स्टार से लेकर 5 स्टार तक, और आपने आगे कहा कि 7 स्टार, तो क्या 7 स्टार की भी संभावना बन रही है?
देखिए, पहली बात तो ये है कि आपकी जो पहली ऑब्जर्वेशन है कि स्वच्छता के कारण हमें आसानी हुई कि नहीं, वो मैं समझता हूँ कि क्योंकि हमने काम किया था और स्वच्छता का हमारा फिजिकल जो टारगेट था वो तो था ही 2 अक्टूबर 2019 का, और ये उसके बाद की हुई है, उससे हमें कुछ लाभ मिला है। क्योंकि ये फिजिकल चीज़ें आप तब भी कर सकते थे, पर ये जो बिहेवियरल चेंज है उसमें जो हमें डिसिप्लिन आया था, मैं मानता हूँ कि भारत में जो पब्लिक रिस्पॉन्स मिला है हमें, केंद्रीय सरकार को और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स को, कोऑपरेशन, कई इंसिडेंट्स हुए हैं जहाँ पे, पर आप देखिए डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज में कई ऐसे शहर हैं जब स्टेट ने गवर्नमेंट ने लॉकडाउन का बोला, लोग सड़कों पे उतर आए कि हम नहीं मानते। हमारे यहाँ देखिए डेवलपमेंट चैलेंजेस के होते हुए, डिस्पाइट ऑफ द डेवलपमेंट, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, वेयरिंग मास्क हैज बिकम अ नॉर्म। दिस इज वन। सो आई ड्रॉ लॉट ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन। तो उसके साथ ये जागरूक एलिमेंट, कॉन्शियसनेस है। अगर आप ये मैसेज दे पाते हैं अपने कॉलीग्स को, अपनी पॉपुलेशन को, दैट दी प्रिकॉशंस are necessary for your own sake, they will be followed. दिक्कत होगा, अभी कई जगह आपको तो एकदम वहां पे रश हो जाएगा. That's human nature, because human beings also go through different pressure. But आपका सवाल बिल्कुल सही है. I think क्योंकि हम ये सब करवाएं, पर एक और चीज है, पैंडेमिक महामारी के से एक चीज और हमें जो जानकारी मिलती है कि जो हमारे टारगेट्स हैं सैनिटेशन के, हमें और भी एम्बिशियस होना पड़ेगा, बहुत, बिकॉज ऑफ पर्सनल हाइजीन वी हैव टू बिकम मच मोर एम्बिशियस, बट आई थिंक इंटर रिलेटेड. हाँ, प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज.
मैं आपको ये भी बताना चाहूँगा कि जैसा हमने अपने प्रेजेंटेशन में कहा था, कुल 1435 शहरों ने अप्लाई किया था. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि उन शहरों ने अपना सेल्फ असेसमेंट था कि उनको स्टार रेटिंग मिल सकती है, तभी वो अप्लाई करेंगे. अगर आप इम्तहान में पास होने वाले तभी अप्लाई करेंगे. जिसमें से 698 को तो हमने डेस्कटॉप असेसमेंट से किया, यानी 700 आधे ऐसे ही हो गए जिनको हमारे MIA से कन्वेंसी थी, जिस वजह से छट गए. बाकी फिर हमने सिटीजन्स वैलिडेशन एंड डायरेक्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन किया, तो जाकर के 141 सिटीज को फाइनली स्टार रेटिंग दिया गया, क्योंकि हमारी स्टैंडर्ड बहुत रिगरस है. अगर आप किसी शहर को कहिए कि आप 5 स्टार है, तो 5 स्टार सचमुच के लगना चाहिए. आपको बता दूं कि 7 स्टार के लिए भी कई सारे सर, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 197 सिटीज ने 7 स्टार के लिए अप्लाई किया, किसी को नहीं मिला, क्योंकि रिगरस है. लेकिन मैं आपको ये भी बात बता दूं, और ये सारी चीज आपको मिल जाएगी, जो अभी माननीय मंत्री जी ने वेबसाइट भी पोर्टल जो लॉन्च किया है, पोर्टल को हम लोगों ने कंप्लीटली ट्रांसपेरेंटली देख सकते हैं किस शहर को किस चीज पे कितना नंबर मिला है और कितने नंबर छूटा है. तो जैसे कहते हैं ना कि आपका डिस्टिंक्शन आने में आधा नंबर रह गया, आपको 1 नंबर छूट गया, ऐसे लोग छूटे हैं. और मैं समझता हूं कि ये बहुत बड़ी चीज है. अगले साल जो हमारा जो होगा स्टार रेटिंग का जो आगे आएगा, इसमें काफी उनके पोजीशन और इम्प्रूव करेगी.
मैं आई जस्ट वांट टू ऐड वन लिमिटेड पॉइंट जो सेक्रेटरी बता रहे हैं कि ये जो कॉन्शियसनेस है इम्तिहान देने वाली, जब हमने स्वच्छता सर्वेक्षण की शुरुआत की थी, तो आपको याद है कि सिर्फ 73 अर्बन लोकल बॉडी शहर केम थ्रू. ये 2016 की बात है. और जो लास्ट स्वच्छता सर्वेक्षण है 4500 के करीब पहुंच गए, 4000. तो ये भी एक बन जाता है हमारे यहाँ. जैसे वो है ना, कोटा है राजस्थान में एक जगह जहाँ वो कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए लोग पहुंच जाते हैं, जिनको बसेस भेज कर हमें मंगवाना. तो उसमें ऐसा है, एक बार हमारे यहाँ शुरू हो जाएगी. मैं 100% कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ कि आज आपके माध्यम के वी आर गिविंग द रिजल्ट्स आउट, दिस विल कैच ऑन. बाय द टाइम वी डू द सेकेंड ईयर, the numbers of cities, urban local bodies applying significantly higher than that. और फिर हमारे पास कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स भी हैं. अभी सेक्रेटरी साहब के साथ हम रिव्यू करेंगे, हम कहेंगे देखिए हो गया 3 स्टार भी हो गया, 5 स्टार भी हो गया, हम क्या इंसेंटिवाइज कर सकते हैं, हम क्या. देखिए कभी कभी इंसेंटिव ज्यादा नहीं जरूरत होता. एक सर्टेन, मैं भोपाल और इंदौर के बारे बताता हूं, कुछ नहीं कहता, चर्चा सब जगह हुई कि ये देश में नंबर 1 और नंबर 2 है. दैट इटसेल्फ इज इन सम अदर प्लेसेस, you know, if there are urban local bodies are not able to raise how do you put it, resources. We are dealing through the finance commission, we are doing other things. So I can assure you this will change substantively. और जो 7 स्टार की बात है, I want to be a little careful. देखिए जो हमारी urban local bodies की situation है, 1 star gives me most satisfaction because then you have started off. 3 star gives me more, but 7 star we should only reach when we have a very large number of people in the 3 star category and a very large number of cities in the 5 star category. Then 7 star makes sense. Because 7 star even in other areas, 7 star is not a norm. 7 star is the extraordinary X of the norm.
116.
Yes, sir. Sir, my question is that on 1 star, 3 star, even 5 star, Maharashtra has cornered or got the most of the cities. Our eastern states have failed miserably, like Bengal.
Sorry, can you please repeat it because I was.
Sir, in that 1 star, 3 star, even 5 star, Maharashtra cities have cornered most of the ratings.
Yeah.
Our eastern states like Odisha, Bihar, Bengal have failed miserably here.
Yeah.
So is there any corrective measures being taken for that?
Well, look, how you respond to a situation depends on how the people are there. who takes an interest, what they did. Now, in some of these cases, the chief minister, the honorable chief minister at that point of view took a lot of personal interest, and that's what happened. And I can tell you that based on my personal interaction. I remember I went to Mumbai, God knows how many times. I went to other states. Some other chief ministers also took interest. Some did not take any interest whatsoever. I mean, I don't want to name a state. I mean, secretary has written letters. I've written letters. The state doesn't respond. I mean, so I'm not good, so don't tempt me on that, but you can guess. Whereas other states, we don't have to be writing to them to tell them to do that. वो अपने आप हमसे कहते हैं भाई इसका क्या कर रहा है. मैंने आपको बताया. My counterpart in UP then, he is no longer the urban affairs minister, he was the finance minister there. Every second, third day, he would call me on some. अच्छा, एक बड़ी अच्छी चीज है. जब शुरू में हमने स्वच्छता सर्वेक्षण किया, I'm glad as secretary has said everything is transparent. ये जो आपकी जो आएगा, कौन सी कैटेगरी में, कौन सी सब कैटेगरी में कितनी वेटेज मिली, आपको स्पष्ट हो जाएगा. शुरू में हमें ये रेटिंग की है, इसमें कोई सब्जेक्टिव एलिमेंट रहा होगा. मे बी बिकॉज आई एम फ्रॉम अ स्टेट एक्स और सेक्रेटरी फ्रॉम वाई और मिस्टर जिंडल इज फ्रॉम अ स्टेट जेड और कुछ नहीं है भैया, देख लो. अब कोई देयर इज नेवर अ सजेशन. कितनी हमने 4-5 स्वच्छता सर्वेक्षण कर ली, 5वां एक में नहीं आया. अब कोई बोलता ही नहीं है. शुरू मेरे को पूछते थे, मुझे वो करते थे, क्यों आपने ज़्यादा लगता है आपका उस स्टेट के साथ ज़्यादा. अरे कुछ नहीं है भैया, ये सिटीजन फीड, उनके जो परफॉर्मेंस क्राइटेरिया भी फिजिकल है, तो इसमें भी वैसे ही होगा. और इसमें अल्टीमेटली यू विल फाइंड दैट व्हेन यू इंट्रोड्यूस इज ट्रांसपेरेंट, ट्रांसपेरेंसी इज ऑल राइट, क्राइटेरिया मस्ट बी करेक्ट. हमने इसके बीच में थोड़ा ट्वीट भी किया है कि सिटीजनशिप फीडबैक है 5% होना चाहिए या 40% होना चाहिए. देखो, उसमें 2 राय थी जब हम लोगों ने किया. एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ये था कि साहब इसको करिए तो ये था. हमने लगा नहीं, ये नहीं हो सकता, नहीं हो सकता. अगर मान लीजिए कागज पे कुछ लिखा है पर आपको सामने नजर आ रहा है कि स्वच्छता नहीं, कोई भी नहीं देगा फीडबैक ऐसे, और जो देंगे they'll be. We were proved right. By and large, we were proved right. And I'm very confident that, I must confess, that between civil aviation and some of my other preoccupation, I've been a little more, but when I saw the star rating, जब ये आज का फंक्शन हम तो पहले करना चाह रहे थे, पर I think हमारा पहले करते आप, you would have been more preoccupied with Corona. Not that you are not preoccupied now, we are still, but I think ready to resume business, not as normal, but more open up. I think we are okay, and I think मैंने इसका preliminary पढ़ा. I was very impressed, not because it's a scheme of my ministry, but मैंने कहा भाई, this is where you have to take our urban local bodies direction.
99.
मैं आवाज़ आ रही? मैं आमिर हूँ न्यूज़ नेशन से सर. पहला सवाल तो पहले वाले
इसको थोड़ा उतार लो,
हाँ अब आवाज़ आ रही हो. पहला सवाल तो मैं पहले वाले सवाल से थोड़ा सा जुड़ा हुआ है कि स्वच्छ भारत अभियान से जो प्रधानमंत्री ने लॉन्च किया, इस कोरोना महामारी में आपको क्या लगता है कि उससे फायदा हुआ, उसके होने से, स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के होने से लोगों के बिहेवियर में इस वजह से फायदा हुआ कि इतने लोग संक्रमित नहीं हुए और लोग एजुकेट हो रहे हैं. दूसरा सवाल सर ये है कि जो नदियां हैं इस समय की स्टेट सब्जेक्ट है, लेकिन नदियों में अगर हमने जाके देखा, हमने रिपोर्ट्स की वहां से, जैसे यमुना नदी की रिपोर्ट की, पानी एकदम स्वच्छ हो चुका है, साफ.
देखिए, पहले तो मैं आपको धन्यवाद कहना चाहूंगा कि आपने एक बड़ा बेसिक और जो फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चन में फायदा हुआ 100%. जब मैंने पहले भाई साहब के प्रश्न का उत्तर देने की कोशिश की, उस समय क्वेश्चन थोड़ा थिंक पे था, पर अभी मैं आपको 100% फायदा हुआ. देखिए, मान लीजिए कि ये जो हमारे टारगेट्स थे, ये टॉयलेट्स वैसे भी बनते हैं. टॉयलेट्स ये नहीं कि आपको एक केंद्रीय सरकार की कोई योजना की जरूरत होती है बनाने के लिए, पर योजना के द्वारा अगर आपने 65 लाख या 70 लाख टॉयलेट बनाए हैं, इंडिविजुअल हाउस होल्ड और कम्युनिटी टॉयलेट, वो मेजर है. पर उसके अलावा मैं समझता हूं कि जो बिहेवियरल चेंज के कारण जो हमें फायदा हुआ, और ये जो कोविड को डील करने में जो कोऑपरेशन चाहिए थी और क्वालिटी ऑफ कोऑपरेशन. देखिए, आप और हम 10 लोग बैठे हैं एक कमरे में, हम कहें कि सोशल डिस्टेंस रख लो, अरे भाई वो कह रहे बात है, होगा नहीं होगा देखेंगे कितना होता है। पर एक बारी जब डिसिप्लिन बन गया है तो हाइजीन का, देखिए कई थ्योरी हमारी जो आंकड़े हैं वाई आर दे लो, वन इज दैट not my view, it's medical profession. People say because a country like India, disease burden, because people are used to levels of pollution or impurity, and maybe our systems in our bodies are more adept at dealing with, that may be an answer. But it cannot be in isolation. It has to be dealt with in terms of the system that you create. And I think the Swachhta ecosystem, which I think is the most important. Look, I can't be partial to one scheme. As Minister for Housing, I also implement affordable housing and partnership, affordable housing, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, they're all important. But Swachhta is on which the fulcrum on which all these other schemes are done. So I'm absolutely sure that bahut fayda ho. Now you come to the forward. And I think we were ahead of the curve. I think when Secretary started talking about ODF plus, ODF plus plus, way before quarantine, and then we implemented them. When Pradhan Mantri ji, I think it was on August 15, 2019, he started talking about single-use plastics also. Again, fecal sludge management. So we have always been slightly ahead of the curve. I mean, if the problem is coming, we were able to do it. So I'm very grateful that because of the Swachh Bharat Mission's vision, to which he gave so much importance, आपको शायद याद नहीं होगा जब 15 अगस्त 2014 ने अनाउंस किया ये फ्रॉम द रैम्पार्ट्स ऑफ रेड फोर्ट, हमारे कुछ ये राजनीतिक दोस्त यार हैं जिनको फॉर वांट ऑफ अ बेटर टर्म जाता है, हमारे पुराने दोस्त यार, वो कहा जी कोई बात है रेड फोर्ट से कर। मैंने उस समय भी कहा था और मैंने लिखा भी है इसके बारे, भाई इससे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्या हो सकता है, वेर यू आर ओवरऑल अर्बन। एंड लुक, कोविड इज ऑल्सो एन अर्बन प्रॉब्लम बाय एंड लार्ज. I mean, if it's a different matter, that some of our brothers and sisters who migrate back from the urban areas to the rural areas, they will be carrying the virus. But it started here.